I wanna name pretty baby. You drive me crazy. Yes, Stallion Stevie. You know it, pretty baby. I love the way you move. I know you move up for me, pretty little baby. You drive me crazy. Yes, Stallion Stevie. We outside in the freezing. This is not a movie. This is not no AI too. Because we do it every time. Rain or shine, snow or ice, each day. The way my voice a cradle, you know me so worse up. Because outside cold, pretty little baby. Welcome to Shane Stallions TV. We have the Dreamliner. It's now Aero Mexico, but I'm gonna change it to Air Jamaica real soon. And it's a cold day. Today's temperature is only about 12 degrees. At least that's what they say it feels like. But I think feels like is the real temperature. I don't go by 27 degrees. Live action, baby, raw and uncut. So miss that pretty little baby. Shane Stallions TV. Please like and subscribe for me. Live action, baby, live action. This one is a Boeing 777. This is DHL. I haven't seen this one in a long time. Welcome to Shane Stallions TV. Of course, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Beautiful aircraft. That time of the year again. The icing, baby. The icing.